Hello YouTube. Just thought I would do a video about how fast I can get the edge on a knife. I'm gonna knock the edge off. This surely makes you cringe. You see? Yeah, that's done. I'm gonna start on King 220. I'm just gonna show that with sheep knives you can use sheep stones and get very sharp results. I'm just gonna start. I'm using a lot of pressure here, maybe in pounds, maybe 10 pounds, 10 to 15. In kilos, 5 to 8 kilos. And there again. Yep, that's nearly there. A little more on the middle section. There. Flip side and repeat the process. And as you see, when you can sharpen pretty damn fast. Yep. I'm not gonna show the edge of the 220, but I'm gonna show off the 1000. This is a 1000 grit kingstone. It's the best feeling stone out there, but it cuts so damn slow. If it cuts faster, like my Nanima Professional or the Shostera or Suhir or Serax or Bester, etc., I would love it. It feels so damn good. It's creamy, it's smooth. It's a good stone, but it cuts very, very slow. You can't go wrong with kingstones if you just wanna learn. Just gonna do some stropping motions. I reckon this will have taken me maybe a couple of minutes. I'm just gonna check the time. Yeah, 3 minutes exactly. You see here, there's something stuck on it. Weird. You see? I've used a little too much pressure. I'm used to higher end knives with better steel. So the edge have folded over. I'm just gonna reduce the pressure. I'm just doing this for fun. It's a crap knife, crap stone, so I don't expect so good results. I'm just showing you can do it. New test. There. It's better. I'm not gonna take my time and do it correctly or anything, because I don't care. I'm just showing that you can get good results on any stone nearly. A Eden Professional 2000. I'm just cleaning up the edge a little. just showing what you can do if you are in a hurry and you just need a cutting edge. I'm not particularly worried about getting a razor edge or anything now, just a working edge. You can refine and stuff, but yeah. As you see, oh, the paper was wet. You see it cuts well, so. I'm gonna show you also 3000 Superstone from Maniva. And here I'm just dropping. See if the edge improved, and it did. Eden Professional 5000. Therefore, I'm just gonna do a few swoopies. See, just checking if you can see this. Yeah, this has taken me 7 minutes. And remember, this is a cheap ass IKEA knife. And as you see, cheap stones, cheap knife. There's it's wet, the paper is wet, so as you see, it's got no problem cutting. Yeah, I just wanted to show you that. So please press like, subscribe, leave a comment.